Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's class, let's see how to solve question number 5 of exercise 4.2 NCERT class 10 book, okay? The question is, the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides, okay? Now let's draw the triangle here. So triangle here is ABC, right angle dot B. Okay. The question is, the altitude of the triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, so now we don't know what is the base. So now let the base be x. So BC will be the base and the base is x. Now the altitude is 7 centimeter less. Basically the height or the perpendicular here, the one here is 7 centimeter less than the base. So that will be x minus 7 centimeter. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, okay, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Now let's write this one. So let the base of the triangle, of the right angle triangle ABC, that is here base will be BC, okay. So BC is equal to x centimeter. Okay, then the altitude of the triangle, here the altitude will be AB. Okay, so AB equals x minus 7 centimeter because it is 7 centimeter less than the base. So x minus 7 centimeter. Okay, what else is given? Hypotenuse is given. So what is hypotenuse? The longest side of the triangle is called as the hypotenuse. Also, the hypotenuse side will be exactly opposite to this 90-degree angle. So here the hypotenuse will be, hypotenuse is AC actually. So hypotenuse is equal to AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Now the question is, we'll have to find the value of x and we'll have to find what is AB and BC. Basically the value of the other two sides. Now since it's a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the concept of Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Again, I'll tell you, Pythagoras theorem is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem. So apply Pythagoras theorem to right triangle triangle ABC, which is nothing but AC square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus the base square. So here AC value is 13. So 13 square is equal to what is AB square? AB is the height, right? So AB is the altitude here. So altitude, AB is the altitude. Yeah, x minus 7 is the altitude. So x minus 7 the whole square, and the other one BC is the base, which is nothing but x square. Now let's remove this bracket. So this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a will be x and b will be 7. 13 square will be 169. So 169 is equal to a square x square plus 7 square b square plus 2 into, not plus, sorry, minus 2 into x into 7 plus x square. Again, let's simplify. So 169 is equal to x square. So 7 square will be 49. 2 into x into 7 will be minus 14. So 2 into 7 will be 14. 14 into x will be minus 14x plus x square. Okay. Now again, let's combine the like terms. There is 1x square, another x square. So it will become 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Bring the 169 to the other side. So now the equation will become 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So now this will become 2x square minus 14x. So what is 169 minus 49? So 0. This will become 2, then 1. So minus 120, which is equal to 0. Why minus 120? Because this is minus 169 and plus 49. So when I subtract them, I'll get 120. Okay, then I'll have a minus sign. So minus 120 is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will simplify this equation. What we will do is both 214 and 120 are divisible by 2. So dividing 2 on both sides. Okay, so our calculation becomes slightly simple now. So what will happen? We're going to divide. So 2x square by 2 minus 14x by 2 minus 120 by 2, which is equal to 0 by 2. So we are dividing 2 for the entire thing, both the left side and the right side by 2. So the 2 will get cancelled. Now we'll have x square minus 14 divided by 2 becomes 7x minus 60 is equal to again 0. 0 divided by 2 will be 0 only. Okay. Now we'll have to find two numbers, okay, whose sum, I just write it here. So the equation which I have formed is x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now let's compare this one with the standard form. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we are going to do splitting the middle term method and get the values for x. Now I'll have to find two numbers whose sum should be equal to the coefficient of x, which is b, which is nothing but negative 7. So always consider the sign also. That is the coefficient of x, it should put the sign. And whose product, if I multiply, should get the value of c into a or a into c. A into c, that is coefficient of x square into the constant term. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into what is the constant term here? Constant term is negative 60. So minus 60. So 1 into minus 60 will become minus 60. So I'll have to find two numbers whose sum will be negative 7 and whose product will be negative 60. Okay. Okay, now we will see what are the factors of y. So first of all, 60 will be 1 times 60, 1 in one table. But then the difference is nowhere matching with the negative 7. So again, 2 table, so 230. No, it doesn't work. 3 will come, so 320. No, 4 will come. Will 4 be divided in 60? Yeah, so 4s are 15. Am I getting 7? The difference is no. What about 5? So 5 into 5 and 12. So 5 12s are 60. Yes. And is the difference between them, or if you add them, subtract them, are we getting 7? I think we can try. See, the numbers are 5 and 12. So when I multiply them, I get 60. Okay. But then when I add them, I should get negative 7. So when I add them, I should get negative 7. So let's change the sign now. How do I change the sign? Make this one as negative and let this stay as positive only. So plus 5 into minus 12 will become minus 60. Okay. Plus 5 and minus 12, when you add them, you get negative 7. So now both the two criteria are satisfied. So the numbers will be 5 and negative 12. So the two numbers which we are going to use to splitting the middle term will be 5 and negative 5 and negative 12. Okay, so now x square. So minus 12x, okay, then plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Let's check it again. So minus 12 and plus 5, okay, will give me minus 7. So it's right. Now minus 12 into 5, which should give me negative 60, which is also right. Now let's take x common. So x into x minus 12 within brackets. Then for 5 and 60, we can again take 12 as common, or we can take, what is it? We can take 5 as common. So 5 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. Check again. See, x into x will become x square, correct? X into minus 12 will become minus 12x, very good. Then 5 into x will become 5x, correct? 5 into negative 12 will become negative 60 is equal to 0, which means our calculation is right. It's right, plus 5 here. Now in the next step, we will take x minus 12 as common. The remaining will be x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now how do I get the value of x? Let's equate each of them to 0 and see what is the value for x. Now say x minus 12 is equal to 0, or it should be x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now take 12 to the other side, so x will be positive 12. Take 5 to the other side, now x will be negative 5. Now since we are dealing with the measurements one, the triangle one, so the side of the triangle cannot be negative, right? So minus 5 is eliminated, okay, and we will take the x as positive 12. So if x is positive 12, meaning the base is actually, what is the base here? The base is BC. So BC, if x is equal to 12, which is equal to BC, that is equal to the base, okay, the base of the triangle. Then what will become the altitude? Then altitude will be, altitude AB is nothing but x minus 7 centimeter. So x will be 12. So 12 minus 7, so that will be 5 centimeter. Okay, so here the final answer will be, base value will be 12 centimeter and the altitude will be equal to 5 centimeter. That's all. This is the final answer. Yeah, okay. So hope this is working and the explanation is clear to you. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.